Hello and welcome to this Ramp Interactive assigning tutorial. Today we'll be going over the official Blackouts feature. To find the Blackouts menu, go to the Officials tab on the left-hand side and Officials Blackouts. From here, you'll be able to see any blackouts that have been created that can be edited or deleted with the Edit or Delete button, or you can add new blackouts by clicking the New button at the top of the page. From here, you'll be able to select a division in the assigning system, as well as a team inside of that division to add a blackout for. From here, we can select the official that the blackout is going to be tied to by entering their name and selecting it. We can also say which administrator is adding this blackout, the start and end date of the blackout, and the reason for the blackout. There's also an administrator note to add additional details about this blackout. Once a blackout has been saved, this official will not be able to work games for that team in the platform. Additionally, if you check off it as a individual that plays for this team, it will automatically black out anytime this team is playing as unavailable time for that official. So Bob, if this is checked off, not only can't work any games for Colorado, but also cannot be assigned to any games whenever Colorado is playing. Finish, hit the save button, and you have now created a official blackout. And again, these can be edited with the edit and delete button as needed. If you need additional support, please feel free to reach out to support@rampinteractive.com or 866 607 7267.